Zhongpin Intelligent Machinery Company, mainly engaged in the design of intelligent numerical control equipment, R&D, and production. Provide industrial 4.0 production line for professional furniture manufacturers, and the overall planning solution of Smart Factory. The company's high-end product industry 4.0 intelligent furniture production line, aiming at creating an unmanned production mode of customized furniture. Realize cutting, edge sealing, integration of various processing processes such as string drilling, automation, and intelligence. The main technology of the project has reached the international advanced level. Production technology. The company has built a laser cutting, weld, heat treatment assembly, testing, and so on. Digital intelligent assembly line production mode, and the traditional production of CNC machine tools. Assembly mode is broken into parts. Break it down into 8 links. A high standard can be offline in 2 hours. High quality finished equipment. Greatly shorten the production cycle of the equipment. Software aspect. And the use of MESERP. At the same time of digital management platforms such as CRM, etc. Independent development of intelligent production management system. With Zhongpin after-sales service system. Key indicators for each production link. Conduct dynamic monitoring. Management to achieve zero human defects. Zero process defect transfer. Future Zhongpin Group. Intelligent numerical control laser equipment manufacturer base. And research and development base. For global customers. Provide better products and services.